Welcome back to German for Beginners. Today we're going to talk about verbs and prepositions and what this tells us about the cases we have to use. So join me. A lot of verbs are used with specific prepositions. It's crucial you use the correct prepositions, because otherwise the meaning of the sentence can change completely. We will learn 10 important verbs you need to know as a beginner. You have to memorize the verb and the preposition together, and it's best to start learning some combinations straight from the beginning. Once you have memorized them, you don't have to apply any further rules. So we can have a basic sentence where the noun is followed directly by the verb. In that case, the verb determines the case.
Ich sehe den Hund. Sehen is one of the verbs which require the accusative.
If you don't know anything about these cases, please check my cases playlist. I will also link some of the most important videos in the description and in the end screen. So in this case we don't need any prepositions, but we have verbs that are usually combined with a preposition. And in that case, the preposition determines the case of the noun that follows. Ich beginne mit der Arbeit. So you see we use the preposition after the verb. It's die Arbeit in the nominative, but now we have to use the dative case because mit is one of the prepositions that always require the dative. So now we have der Arbeit. So today we will look at 5 of these prepositions and 10 verbs in total. So our first preposition is auf. Auf is usually followed by the accusative. Ich hoffe auf eine schöne Reise. Ich warte auf den Bus. Ich freue mich auf die Ferien. You will later see freuen can also be combined with another preposition. In that case, freuen auf, we talk about the future. Also you see this is a reflexive verb. You have to add mich. And we can also have separable verbs. Ich bereite mich auf die Konferenz vor. Our second preposition is über. Ich spreche über meine Erfahrungen. Ich spreche über meine Reise nach Spanien. Sprechen can also be combined with at least 2 more prepositions. One alternative is von, and the other one we will see later. Ich informiere mich über den Zeitplan. Once again, a reflexive verb, and you see über is always combined with the accusative. And once again we have freuen. Ich freue mich über das Geschenk. So in that case it's not a future meaning, but something happening right now. Ich denke über eine Lösung nach. So this is nachdenken. This will be important later because we will talk about denken as well. The next preposition is für. Für is also combined with the accusative. Ich interessiere mich für den Prozess. Ich möchte ein Haustier kaufen. Ich entscheide mich für einen Hund. The next preposition is an. Ich denke an die Zukunft. So typically we combine denken with an and the accusative, and nachdenken with über and the accusative. Our last preposition today is mit. Mit is always followed by the dative. Ich beginne mit dem Unterricht. Ich spreche mit meinem Vater. Ich spreche mit meiner Mutter. Ich spreche mit einem Kind. There is a sixth preposition, von, which is usually combined with dative, but the words combined with von are a little more difficult, so I wanted to focus on the 10, in my opinion, most important verbs today, so you will learn combinations with von later. If you're serious about learning German, please take a look at my books. You can perfectly work with the books and the videos in combination. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. If you are new here, welcome. Please consider leaving a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribing. Thank you so much. So now please take a minute and let's do a little exercise together. Let's see if you remember the correct prepositions. If not, you can of course go back and check. It's really essential to learn some of these combinations to be able to form a sentence. So please start learning some of these right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.